Mommy, what you have? What's in there?
Asparagus.
What else? Here, can I have the nippy? See, we can hear you. What did you put in there? Asparagus and what else?
Carrots, ginger, potatoes.
And what are we going to do with all this vegetable? We're going to grind them up and make a pure vegetable medley for the chickens?
Yeah.
You ready to do it?
Yeah.
Okay, push the button.
Go ahead.
Whoa. Whoa.
There you go. Whoa.
We got to put that in we're going to put this in a bowl or what? For the chickens. What are we going to do?
Bowl.
Okay, hang on.
Okay.
You going to hit it a couple more times for good measure? Okay, hang on. Turn her off. Okay, let's get it out for the chickens.
Yeah.
You see them? They're eating your little mixture. They like it. Look at them. Yummy, yummy. Whoa.
Asparagus.
Asparagus and carrots and...
Asparagus and ginger. Asparagus, ginger. It's a bear with a coat.
You see that? Alright, let's turn it off. Bye-bye, chickens. Well, they're eating all your homemade vegetable medley. They say, thank you, Tristan. Thank you for making the vegetables.